If you're a creator tired of hitting usage limits on AI voice platforms and paying for every single word you generate, you need to see this. I've stopped paying for voiceover credits entirely by using a direct access method to Gemini's audio engine that gives me studio quality voice exports for $0. I'm going to show you how to use Google's most powerful voice AI to build your own custom voice engine that handles any accent, any language, any emotion in under 5 minutes. Everyone's looking at Gemini as a chatbot, and sometimes as an image generator, thanks to Nano Banana Pro, but they're missing the biggest loophole in the AI space, the high-fidelity voice generation engine. Today I'm showing you how to bypass the expensive voice platforms and build your own custom voice generator. No subscription fees, no restrictive character counts, just pure expressive audio. If you want to scale your content or that of your business clients without scaling your costs, pay very close attention to this 5-minute setup. Okay, let's jump into Google AI Studio. So first of all, we want to go to the Build tab. For my text-to-speech voice generation app, I want to select from male or female voices. I want to be able to change the accent and emotion. I want to control the speed and pitch of the voices. We also do need to add a feature to allow us to download the audio file to use in our own project. And we want the voices to sound completely human, be able to convey whatever tone and emotion we want. Also to have that kind of regional believability via accent selection too. Google has ungodly amounts of data about what humans sound like. I mean, billions of us from every corner of the planet literally speak to it every day and have done so for many years. So they can just nail the accents and mannerisms that make speech sound familiar to us. Okay, so my prompt that I've got here is, please create a text-to-speech AI voice generator that uses Gemini text-to-speech. This generator should allow me to fully customize the accent and emotion, male and female, high and low pitch, aspects of human speech like breathing, giggling, pauses, stuttering. I also want to be able to export the resulting audio file as a WAV file with the click of a button. I also want to be able to save my voice settings somewhere, somehow, so that every time I come back to the app, it's not just starting from scratch. I want to be able to create locally saved voice personas, which whenever I come back, I can select from my saved voices or create a new one. Okay, so now we have our prompt. Let's hit build and see what it creates for us. Okay, awesome. It's now built. So without changing any of the default settings, let's just see what it sounds like. So it hit a error. So let's just feed that error back into Google AI Studio and get it to fix it for us. All right, sweet, it's fixed the error. So now when we generate the audio without making any other changes to the app.
Hello, I'm a customizable AI voice created with Gemini. I can breathe, giggle, and speak with different emotions.
So we're good. Let's just make sure we can download, which we can. So now we've got sound files that can be downloaded as well. We want to be able to change some of these settings too. I might want to change the accent. Let's try changing it to a British accent and see if we can change the emotion to be sad. We'll change it to a male voice and we'll also just add some pauses to that as well. Maybe we'll change the pitch down to a little bit lower than normal. Hit generate.
Hello, I'm a customizable AI voice created with Gemini. I can breathe, giggle, and speak with different emotions.
Awesome. So you can see what I mean. Like, this is just like insanely powerful. As good as our app is already, the even crazier part is that because it's powered by this global AI with all of Google's knowledge, it can also read, understand, and speak basically any language. So I can show you what that's like here. If I just take this same sentence and translate it, I've just translated it into Japanese. If I just add the Japanese in here, let's say we want this to be a new persona, maybe female, we'll go high pitch. Let's see if we can add in all of these different traits and see what happens. And we'll change the emotion to happy. Let's see what happens with this one.
こんにちは。ジェミニーで作られたカスタマイズ可能な AI 音声です。呼吸したり、笑ったり、様々な感情を込めて話したりできます。
It's pretty wild. So yeah, you can really create anything it is that you're wanting, voice-wise. All right, now we just need to click to download our audio file. This is professional grade audio, ready to be dropped into your video editor or whatever project you need it for. You now have a custom, expressive, unlimited voice creator that costs you nothing and runs on the world's most advanced AI. The era of paying for voiceovers is well and truly over. Now that you have your custom AI voice generator, I bet you also want to know how to train it on your voice or the voice of one of your clients to be able to create voice clips that sound just like someone. Well, you're in luck, because that will be one of my very next videos. Subscribe now so you don't miss that and all the other epic videos I have on the way. See you on the next one. Cheers.